Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have a great Christmas time with your families. For today's video, I wanted to show you a natural face mask that is going to treat dry skin, and it's 100% natural and is suitable for all skin types. If you want to know how to make this face mask, make sure to keep on watching.
Let's gather all the ingredients. This is a honey face mask, so it is important that you use high quality honey such as Manuka honey or 100% raw honey. So in a clean container, add 1 tablespoon of honey. The second ingredient we're going to add is 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Finally, add 4 ripe blueberries into the mixture and start mixing and smashing the blueberries to get the juice into the face mask. Make sure your skin is completely clean before applying this homemade face mask. With a clean brush, apply 1 layer of the face mask all over your face and neck and 2 layers of the mask on the dry skin areas. You can use this face mask every day or at least 3 times a week until your dry skin goes away. If your skin type is dry or normal, wash the face mask with only warm water. And if you have oily or combination skin, remove mask with a mild cleanser at the end. The reason I picked these 3 core ingredients is related to the amazing moisturizer and hydrating properties that honey and avocado contains. Both ingredients are very beneficial to the skin because they are going to lock the moisture, relieve any signs of dry skin that you have, and the blueberries will provide brightness and antioxidants to your skin.
If you're dry skinned, it is specifically on the nose. I have another video right here that is 100% natural and it works in less than 15 minutes. So please make sure to check that out right here. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. This is all I have for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Pura vida!